Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect a USB microphone to your laptop, even if it uses a USB-A output or a USB-C. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. So most of these USB mics use a USB-C output, so you will have to use the original output, which is a USB-C here, but obviously some of these use a different output, but that doesn't really matter in our case. In this video I'm using a HyperX microphone, but you can use any other USB microphones, and the output end is usually a USB-A port. Now, if you have a USB-A port on your laptop, then your situation is very easy. You just have to plug it in, and depending on your software that you're using, if you are on iOS or Windows, you have to go to the settings and set this microphone as the main microphone. But there is a catch. Some of the laptops today doesn't have a USB-A output. For example, the MacBook Air. So you can also connect your microphone in this situation, but you need a little tool to do that. So you will need to use a tool that converts the USB-A to a USB-C, or if you want to connect your microphone to an iPhone, you need a USB-A to Lightning. And when you have your adapter, you just have to connect it to your laptop this way, to the USB-A port. As you can see here, I can connect it here, and it works the same way this way. But one thing that I should mention, that if you want to connect your microphone this way to an iPad or to a phone, it won't work if you use only this adapter, because the energy requirements of the microphone are higher than that the phone or the iPad can provide. So in that case, you will also need an energy source plugged into the adapter, and it would look like this. You have your adapter with the USB-A and a charger connected here, and as you can see now, it provides energy through the adapter and the information cable here. But again, you don't need this if you are using it from your laptop, but if you want to use it from your phone or iPad, you will need to plug it in with a charger. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about passive income ideas and building businesses online, just check out my playlist on the left to learn more. It is a free playlist on YouTube. You don't have to pay for any courses or anything. Just start this playlist and you can learn everything. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.